Hello, everyone. This session will cover the component link screen in the Onfinity system. Let's begin by logging into the system. On the login page, I will enter the user ID SonicAdmin and then enter the password. Once logged in, we will be on the home page, where you will see several mosaics displayed. Today, we will be working on the component link, which is part of the general setup required for attendance. To access the screen, click on the menu icon on the top left corner and search for Component Link. Alternatively, you can navigate through the HR Management folder to General Setup and then click on the Component Link screen. Before we begin, let's understand the purpose of the component link. The purpose of creating a component link is to make specific components eligible for tagging to employees. This means only the employees for whom the component is relevant will be able to receive it. For example, if a bonus component is created but should apply only to certain employees, linking it ensures that only those employees are eligible for it. Others will not see or receive the component unless it is linked to them. This helps in applying components like allowances, bonuses, or special attendance rules accurately and prevents incorrect assignments. Now let's create a component link for the attendance components. The screen opens in single view mode. First, I am going to choose the organization. I am choosing STAR as the organization to make this record applicable for all organizations. Next, we will choose the component type, which was created in the component definition screen. For more details, you can refer to the component definition training session. Here, I am choosing normal hours, which is an attendance component. Next, you will see the position, payroll, grade, job, and employment category fields, which have list of values. These are required only if you want to fix any component link for a particular position, payroll, grade, job, or employment category. For the start date, set the effective date. Here I am choosing January 1st, 2021. For the end date, leave it blank unless the component link will be discontinued later. The Link to All Payroll option means we are going to link this component with all payrolls. For attendance components, we are not going to use this option. Next, we have the standard link flag. When you enable this, the Generate Element Entries button becomes visible. This is mainly used for components that apply to all employees. However, for attendance components, we do not use this option. This is because attendance components are automatically tagged to employees when transferred via batch component entry, which is a part of the pre-payroll process. Therefore, we skip this option for attendance, but use it for payroll and leave components. One more benefit of enabling this option is found in the Employee Work Information screen. Let me show you that option. Go to the Employee Work Information screen. Select any employee and go to the Employee Work Information tab. Click on the right action panel, and here you can see the first option, Generate Element Entries. If you want to tag the predefined components for an employee, you can click this option, and those components will be tagged to that employee. Now let's go back to the component link screen. Here we have the description field. You can add any details if you want, or simply skip it. Click on Save. Your component link for normal hours is now created. You can repeat this process to create component links for all other components. That concludes today's session on the component link screen. Thank you for attending, and I will see you in the next session where we will cover the component mapping setup.